In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share documents in Practice Better. Let's start right inside your account. From your main menu, head to My Practice, then choose Documents. This is your central library for everything you want to store and organize, from handouts and consent forms to lab results and resources. Think of it as the home base for your files, whether they're for your entire practice or tied to a specific client. Next, look for the Fast Action button, typically in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click it to begin an upload. You'll be asked where you want the file to live, in a general folder for your practice, or inside a particular client's folder. Choose the general folder if it's a resource you'll reuse with many clients, like a welcome packet or a lifestyle guide. Choose a client's folder when the document is specific to that person, such as a personalized plan or notes. Now select the files from your computer. You can upload multiple files at once, up to 10 in a single go, so it's easy to bring in a small batch. A quick tip: before you upload, give your files clear, descriptive names. This makes them easier to find later, for you and your clients. If you're uploading several items, consider grouping related files together on your computer first, so selection is quick. Before you commit the upload, you'll see an option to share the document with client or clients. Check this box if you want them to have access immediately. If you'd rather hold off and review everything first, skip sharing for now. You can always adjust it later using Manage Sharing settings. Sharing simply controls visibility on the client's side, so be sure you've placed the file in the correct folder and selected the right client before you enable it. Go ahead and upload. Once the progress completes, your document is now stored in your Documents area. If you chose to share it, the client will receive a notification and can view or download the file in their client portal right away. If you didn't share yet, that's fine. You can open the document later and manage the sharing settings anytime. That's all there is to it. Navigate to the Documents area. Use the Fast Action button to target the right folder. Select up to 10 files, decide whether to share now or later, and upload. With this workflow, your files stay organized, your clients get timely access, and your practice runs smoothly.